All right. Now, the topic is the self-awareness. Self-awareness. Why I selected this topic, self-awareness, because like in schools, colleges, universities, we are always studying about what is going on in the world, what other people have done in their life, successful stories. We have studied all those things, but never ever in our life we have studied about our own self. And there is also another thing. Whenever we are studying about other things, other people, other technology, everything that is not related to us, there is always a teacher. You can find teacher who can teach you about the world, but you can never ever find a teacher who is going to teach you about yourself. You yourself are your teacher. So, I have a very simple question to start with, and the question is, how many of you really want to go to the heaven? Raise your hand. How many of you really want to go to the heaven? What about the people who haven't raised your hand? जो जन्नम का मजा है ना. Yeah. Okay, so you all want to go to the heaven. Am I right? Raise your hand again. I can see your hands. The people who really want to go to the heaven. Azmat? Yeah.
Guarantee yes. I wish to have a window to the hell side.
All right. Now, how many of you want to die? Very good. You want to die, sir? Please. We'll miss you. Just kidding. Yeah, but the reality is, if you guys want to go to the heaven, there is also a sad part. The sad part is, you have to die. Same as, whatever you want to achieve in your life, for that thing, you have to die. Die means you have to put all of your efforts. And the reason why most of the people are not successful, because they are not putting what is really necessary, what is really considered as the death. वो struggle कर नहीं पा रहे हम लोग जिस जगह पे, like if we'll definitely do that struggle, we'll definitely reach at the level where we really want to be.